Welcome back. You may be familiar with the taste of ackee when prepared in Jamaica's national dish, but imagine ackee as a flavor of wine. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a local wine company which has been using familiar flavors in a different way. Andrew Laidley reports.
Journey's End Wine Company has been around since 2011, but the current owners of the company, Stredick and Matthew Thompson, acquired the business in 2018. The father and son have since focused on growing the company and understanding the wine business.
I would say it's always a continuous learning curve because wine is quite unique. You're always refining the taste, the look. The aging process is very interesting in the way how the taste differs 3 months ago to probably 12 months old and so forth.
And it's not the kind of wine you might be accustomed to. The entrepreneur explains that Journey's End focuses on flavors which are indigenous to the Caribbean society.
The wines are made from Jamaican fruits, things that we grew up with. Ackee, passion, pimento, pineapple, noni, soursop. Did I mention ginger? All those fruits are bought locally. We have key farmers that we get from, and if there is short supply, we can always source from other farmers. But there's really no shortage of most of these things. Yes, some are seasonal, but when it's in season, you ensure that you buy in bulk.
They explained that the products have also been certified by the Bureau of Standards.
All of our wine labels and the facility is certified by both Ministry of Health and BSJ. And also the wines are tested around practically annually by the BSJ to ensure that our specifics are correct.
Apart from the problem of accessing capital, Mr. Thompson explains that the wine business has specific challenges of its own.
Getting on the shelf space of the major companies can be quite a task. So breaking the barrier of persons buying Jamaican. By far, we're a country that like to buy things that says made in China, made in America, made in Europe. And even though we might produce far better quality stuff here, there's a bit of an aversion. So we're trying to overcome that mental barrier, and we're getting there.
The company, which is a part of the Export Max 3 program, is preparing to enter regional and international markets. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.